The development of rural India will be possible only through cooperatives. Hence, there is a need to make arrangements for higher education and training for cooperative development in the country. These were the words of Shri Vaikuntha Bhai Mehta, the pioneer of the Indian cooperative movement. Vaikuntha Bhai Mehta's dream came true in the year 1967, when a National Institute of Cooperative Management was established after his name in Pune, which we know as Vaikuntha Mehta National Institute of Cooperative Management, VAMNICOM. The foundation of the institute was led in the year 1947, when late Shri Vaikuntha Bhai Mehta was the Minister of Finance, Corporation and Village Industries of Mumbai Province. Then a cooperative training college was established in Mumbai to bring the concept of management training in cooperative sector. The then Ministry of Community Development and Cooperation established the Central Institute of Consumer Management in Mumbai in 1964. Later in the year 1967, it was merged with Vaikuntha Mehta National Institute of Cooperative Management. In the year 2021, the visionary Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, formed a separate Ministry of Cooperation to give a new impetus to rural development. This step will take the country towards prosperity through cooperation.
आजादी के 75 साल के बाद और ऐसे समय पर जब सहकारिता आंदोलन को सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत थी, तब देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी ने स्वतंत्र सहकारिता मंत्रालय बनाया। इसलिए एज एक सहकारी कार्यकर्ता भी और आप सबकी ओर से मैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और साधुवाद देना चाहता हूं।
Today, VAMNICOM is being managed by Cooperation Ministry.
इस मंत्रालय के अंदर हम पूरे संपूर्ण भारत के सहकारिता क्षेत्र में और गांव के अंदर प्राइमरी एग्रीकल्चर कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज से लेकर के मल्टी स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज की पूरे वैल्यू चेन के अंदर अपना योगदान देंगे।
Since its inception, VAMNICOM has been contributing towards cooperative management through its activities such as management training, research and publication, and consultancy and other related activities. Government of India provides financial grant to National Council for Cooperative Training, NCCT, to run the institute and meet other expenses. Immediately after its inception, VAMNICOM instituted Postgraduate Diploma in Cooperative Business Management, a course to improve the decision-making skills and administrative abilities of the managers working in the cooperative sector.
ये कोर्स एक बार ज्वाइन करके इस पढ़ के जाइए, इससे कुछ मिलेगा। अभी मेरे को भी इतना एम्पावर किया इस कोर्स ने, जो टीचर्स लोग ने इतना मेहनत करके हमको पढ़ाया, हम लोग को पढ़ाया, इसमें बहुत अच्छा हुआ। फिर मैं तो दूसरा कंट्री से आया हूँ, नेपाल से आया हूँ। मेरे को ऐसा लगा यहाँ का फ्रेंड मिल के, फ्रेंड के साथ में जो मैंने इंटरैक्ट किया, इंडिया का ऑल ओवर कोऑपरेटिव मूवमेंट फील्ड में जाके भी दिखने के वो अवसर मिला।
Currently, the 55th batch of PGDC BM is running. Till date, more than 1,000 officers and managers from India and other countries have been trained through PGDC BM. In order to increase the participation of the younger generation in cooperative sector, a course named Postgraduate Diploma in Management, Agri-Business Management was started in the year 1993.
मुझे लगता है कि वैमनिकॉम में पढ़ाया जाने वाला सहकारिता के क्षेत्र में पाठ्यक्रम देश में सर्वश्रेष्ठ है।
क्लासरूम टीचिंग के साथ साथ यहाँ पर फील्ड विजिट पर भी बहुत ध्यान दिया जाता है।
मुझे लगता है कि हमारे संस्थान की फैकल्टी बहुत ही अच्छी और अनुभवी है।
So far, 1,354 students out of 28 batches have passed out from VAMNICOM, and today they are working in many well-known cooperative and agro-based institutions. VAMNICOM has set up world-class and modern facilities to provide high-level training to its participants.
हमें पढ़ाने के लिए हमारे क्लासरूम्स में अत्याधुनिक टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग किया जाता है।
हमारा इंस्टीट्यूट का एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी कंप्यूटर लैब है। हम इधर प्रोजेक्ट्स, असाइनमेंट और आईटी रिलेटेड इश्यूज का काम करते हैं।
The institute has separate hostels for male and female students.
हम भले ही अलग अलग राज्य और संस्कृति से संबंधित हो, फिर भी यहाँ पे एक परिवार के जैसे रहते हैं।
यहाँ वामनीकॉम में पढ़ाई के अलावा हमें खेल कूद की भी कई सुविधाएं उपलब्ध है, जिसमें इंडोर और आउटडोर दोनों सुविधाएं हैं।
Vamnicom also organizes several short-term management development programs. Orientation training programs are also organized for the sponsored officers of Indian Administrative Services, Indian Forest Services, NCDC, IFCO, CRIPCO, Apex Cooperative Banks, other cooperative institutions and NGOs. More than 100 such training programs are organized at Vamnicom every year. Vamnicom provides consultancy services to cooperative banks and financial institutions. Several international days are also celebrated in the institute. Cooperative Week is organized every year. Similarly, Hindi Divas is also celebrated. The institute provides support to various international organizations like International Cooperative Alliance, International Labour Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization, NICD Sri Lanka, and many more. The institute has also been an active promoter in the establishment of SICTAB, which provides training to professionals in the agricultural banking sector of SAARC countries. The institute also organizes need-based sponsored programs and sport programs. Vamnicom is committed to play a vital role in achieving the objectives of the Ministry of Cooperation and the successful implementation of its policies. In order to take forward this resolve, Vamnicom has also entered into agreements with many cooperative and agricultural organizations. There is also a chair of an IFCO professor in Vamnicom. The biggest feature of Vamnicom is its library. It is unique in many ways.
हमारे वैमनीकॉम की लाइब्रेरी में 52,000 से ज़्यादा पुस्तकों का समावेश है। इसमें 140 से ज़्यादा सहकारिता से संबंधित नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल रिसर्च पेपर्स, जर्नल्स और इंटरनेशनल मैगजीन्स भी है।
वैमनीकॉम की लाइब्रेरी में सहकारिता से संबंधित बहुत ही पुरानी और अच्छे पुस्तकों का संग्रह है। उसमें आता है एग्रीकल्चर, फिशरीज, बैंकिंग, इकोनॉमिक्स।
The reports of the committees constituted for policy making and documents of all the research work done in the field of agriculture and cooperation since 1915 are available in this library. Vamnicom has set new dimensions in education and training in the field of cooperation and agriculture and has made its place among the world's leading cooperative management institutes. Now, the day is not far when this great institution will establish itself as a center of excellence.